Hello, hello, my people. Welcome back. Today I'll be reaping string beans from my garden. So you want to stay with me for that? So we have some right here. And what we will do is to pick those that are ready. Yes, those that are fit. And if you look on it, you will see some like this one that, this needs some more fitting towards it. Need to fit a little more. Yeah, so these are the ready ones. And while you are picking, you will want to get rid of the unwanted shrubs in the garden. Yes, and this is my carrots, and I'll be waiting for them to get fit and ready and all these things, you know what I mean? Look at this one right here, my word, loaded. So we have some right here, and then we have some right here. All niceness right here, my people. Look at this. Good things going on here. Yeah, so you will pick those that are fit, and you will allow those that are not fit to get fit. Right? Yes, so we have, oh my gosh, this tree is loaded. Look at this one, my people. It's loaded, yeah? Wow, wonderful things happening here in country life. So you've got to plant your own garden and reap your natural organic beans, carrots, all the lovely things, you know what I mean? Cucumbers. Plant your own, my people. It's the time for it. Yes. When you pick them, some of them will tend to break because they are fresh. Not old, they are young and fresh, you know what I mean? Yes, a real niceness going on right here in the garden, you know? Thank you for joining venvenmusic and country life today, my people. Yes, remember to eat healthy, live healthy, and be happy.